Hello friends, I made this video for Maharshi Dayanand College library user. Due to lockdown, physical library facility is not available, but you can check library catalog online 24 by 7. I am going to show you step by step how to search library books through WEB-OPAC. First, you go to library page library.mdcollege.in, then scroll down little bit. Here is a WEB-OPAC online catalog. You click here and this web catalog is available. We have 45,000 books in the library, so all the books are available here in this catalog, and this WEB-OPAC is available 24 by 7. You can check online anytime through your smartphone, also your PC or laptop. This means 10 people are at present using this WEB-OPAC. Hits. Now we want to search any of the books available in the library. So I'll just give you one example. Computer science. This search is like Google search only. And just click on your search button. So 488 books on computer are there in the library. So this computer science, whatever that search string you put here under browse column, this will highlight it with yellow color. These are the computer science books, all computer science books. Right. Now you can click any of the book. Let's see, I'll take this book, A Manual of Computerization in Library. So I just click on here, and for the detail of the books are available here. This is the author, language English, title proper, call number, ID number, classification number, keywords. This book comes under library science and computer science. These are the keywords. Accession number 012073. This is the accession number of the book. Call number 025.06. This is the call number where we have arranged the books from DV decimal classification. Policy is general. This book comes under general. General means all the students can take this book for home issue. Location is library science, where the cupboard is library science. It is available there. Now you can see the QR code here on this left hand side. I will show you how to use this QR code. So this is the QR code in my mobile. So you just open that QR code application and scan this title by putting your mobile in this. Just see, this book detail has come. You can save this search. Now again I go back to the search again, where 458 books available there. So you don't want this 480 all the books. You are just looking after a particular title on computer science. So you go to advanced search, and here you put computer science. And then computer science word should be under title, not under keyword. Here also you can search, and this title should be in the beginning of the field or exactly matches the field. If you put here exactly matches the field, then those title where it is written computer science will only come. If this book is in Java, then this book will not display under computer science. So we will keep it here as anywhere in the field. Now we want the books, latest books only. So I just put it here 2000 to 2020. So I'll just go to search. Now only 52 answer, only 52 books. Instead of 499, only 52 books are available on computer science, which is published from 2010 to 2020. Okay, so this is the string. Now just scroll down here. See, if you want to take this book, you can check the status. This book is, the book status is missing. That means this book is missing in the library, so you cannot take it. Otherwise, what will happen? You just check in the catalog and you ask that you want this book, but this is, status is missing, so this book is not in the library anymore. Advanced Java SYBC. See, these are 5 textbooks. T in accession number, wherever T is written, that means it is a textbook. And textbook, 5 copies are there for this title. This is SYBC Computer Science Semester 4. So 5 copies are available and the status is on shelf. That means all the books are available in the library. So if you want to take, you can take any of the books in the library. Okay. Then same way, this is the another title, Android Developer Fundamental SYBSC. See, this all 5 books are issued to the students. Status is issued. So you will not get this book because it is already issued. Issued to whom? Issued to this person who is having this borrower ID number. So here also you can check that who has taken this book with the borrower ID number and what is the due date. Due date is 26 February 2020. See here, due date is not coming because these books are on shelf. Now this is issued, so you can check the issued to whom and the due on which date. So if you want this book and check the due date, so after the due date you can go and ask in the library that whether this book is available, whether this book has there or not, and then later on you can take it. Because during now the lockdown is going on, that is why these books have not returned so far. So that is why it is showing issued book. Right? And this QR code I have showed you, this is also. Now you want to make the list of all 52 books. Still you do not want all the 52 books. Now you want to search a particular book. So there is one another alternative is that you can click here all pages to basket. So all the 52 books will come under here, show my basket. See, these all 52 books title come here. Here also again one more option, remove option. You can just check this title. If this is not relevant to you, you can remove. Computer Science Standard 11, you can remove this book. You don't want this 11th or 12th standard. Okay. This TPS Computer Science 12th standard, this also you can remove the title. So this is how you can also narrow down your search. Again, you have Computer Science 12th. There is also practical programming. You can remove this title. Dictionary of Computer Science. You can remove this title. UGC net set, that also you do not want. Now you have removed some of the titles. Now what you will do, you go to Bibliography, here right hand side, click this button and all these books that you have saved is coming here, 41 books. You can take a printout of these books, click on print button, because printer is not attached, so you can save as a PDF in your computer. Okay. You can download also these books and you can later on take a printout also. So this is how the bibliography of books, it will be available. So students, what you will do in this lockdown period, whatever books related to your study, you can search it here and prepare a bibliography. And when college reopens, so that your time will save, and you can ask the books in the library. You can search any of the books in the library. So throughout the year, you will not need to run here and there for searching the books. So one time only you can search the books or throughout your syllabus. Now this is journal list. Apart from textbooks, we have periodicals in the library. This is all the journals available in our library. If you can see, this is the journal title, Aradhana, BNHS, Career 260. This is the periodical name, India Today English. When you click on this here, select. So here this right hand side, all the book, this India Today magazine issues will display, like status received means this the number of the accession number of the India Today English, and then this available, this volume is available on this date, it is available there. This India Today is a magazine. Now arrivals, anytime you can check recently arrived items in past 30 days, as nothing is displaying here because past 30 days library is closed due to lockdown, and we have not entered any of single new books. That is why here it is showing blank. Otherwise last 30 days books will display here, because we have set in the system that all and whenever you search the books on new arrivals, whatever new arrivals, last 30 days books will display. So you can easily make out which is the new book, and you can come to the library and you can demand that book. See, this is latest 10 items. So whenever library entered the new books, this last 10 items will be displayed here. So here also you can check out what is new in the library. You can click it here and you can check the detail. You can scan the QR code also, and you will get what is new in this book. Okay. Now this is my info. My info is to check your record. Your ID number is given to all of you. You can check your record. Your ID number you can put here, and you put the password and then click on login. But right now this function will not work because we have set the membership expiry date is 20th May to all the library users. Otherwise, when you put your ID number and password, you can check your record, that which book you have taken and what is the due date of that book. So this is how you can check your record. Item type, you can check this item type. This is the total collection of the library. Item type, article, atlas, book. This is senior college books. Number of distinct items and total number of copies. Distinct items means unique title 25,518, and total number including multiple copies 29,924. So we have these ebooks. You can check out 69 ebooks we have. So I'll show you, we have some ebooks also. You go to advanced search, and here is a column of ebooks. You just click it here and search ebooks. See, we have 69 ebooks. So 69 ebooks are available. Some books are in the form of CD and DVD, and some are in PDF form. See, CD and DVD. It's ebook. Physical print book is not available, and the C is for belong to CD DVD. This is how you can check the WEB-OPAC. We have our library software, slim software in the library. So you can check our catalog. You can prepare the list of books, whatever available in the library. If you want to search SYB.com book, all the SYB.com textbooks are available. 90 SYB.com books are available. See, this is withdrawn status. So it must be old book, so status is withdrawn. It's not there in the library. So whenever the status is shown missing or withdrawn, that is not there in the library. If it is on shelf, that means that book is available. If it is issued, that means that book is issued to some of the students. So that way you can search the library catalog anytime. You go to the library page and there you go to quick link and then select this WEB-OPAC online catalog and search all the library books. You prepare the list of books of whatever relevant to you and then save the searches, or you can save the search in your mobile also. Here this is library WEB-OPAC address. You can scan it here and this will open in your mobile. I just show you how this will open. Just open this, scan this. I just scan this and open browser. See, this catalog is open in mobile also. So you can check this catalog and the mobile. Okay. This is the email address of library. You can scan it and there is an email address. So you can send email to the library.